Are you experiencing Firestick error code PLR-5027? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart the Firestick. You mostly get the Firestick error code PLR-5027 while streaming the FreeV app. When you get such error, restart the device. You can keep the Firestick device unplugged for a few minutes, then plug it back in and relaunch the app. If you again get the same error, then watch the next solutions we perform. Method 2. Check for software updates on your Firestick device. Go to Settings, select My Fire TV, select About, select Check for updates. If an update is available, install the update. Method 3. Clear the cache and force stop the app. Go to Settings on your Firestick device. Select Applications. Select Manage Installed Application. Select the app on which you are getting the error. Select Clear Cache. Next, select the Force Stop option. Now relaunch the app and check. Method 4. Check for server outage. You can check the app server status on Google from your PC or mobile. For FreeV app, you can visit this website and check the status. If there is any issue on the server side, then wait for some time and then try again. Method 5. Reinstall the problematic app. You can also press and hold the round button and the play button at the same time. A message should appear asking if you want to delete the app. Confirm it and wait till Firestick restarts. You can also go to Settings on your Fire TV device. Select Applications. Select Manage Installed Applications. Select the app you want to uninstall and then uninstall. Follow the on-screen instructions. Install the app again and see if the error persists this time. Method 6. Contact Amazon Firestick support. If nothing helps, you can contact Amazon Firestick support for further assistance. You can report your problem and then follow the instructions provided by the experts to resolve the issue. And there you have it. The ways to fix Firestick error code PLR5027. We hope the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which methods helped you to fix the issue. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.